Achoo! Ah. It's time to get reacquainted with yourself. Have you ever been stuck in a cycle of self-sabotage? Like, you know how it goes, right? Like, you have this goal and it's really important to you, but every time you try to take steps towards it, something happens. Like maybe your energy's low, you're just not feeling it. Maybe your confidence is low. Maybe you get distracted by something shiny, and before you know it, you find yourself back where you started, or worse than where you started. If so, then I want to introduce you to my new book. It's called Personal Transformation Journaling, and it'll help you end the cycle of self-sabotage and create lasting positive change through writing, reflection, and the parts work technique. So I believe that the key to getting what you want in life is getting all of your parts working together. Personal Transformation Journaling offers an easy-to-follow guide to understanding the different parts of yourself and then building rapport and more internal connections with those aspects. You'll learn how to use the process that I use with clients to make meaningful personal growth changes. You'll build a strong connection to your inner self and learn how to get on its good side. You'll learn how to take responsibility for your actions and find freedom from the guilt of not being perfect. You'll learn to let go of old patterns and beliefs that aren't serving you any longer. You'll be able to use this journal to explore your internal characters and the different parts of yourself at a deeper level. You'll begin to listen to yourself rather than just talk at yourself. You'll be able to find what's holding you back and make changes that last. You'll be able to understand what characters make up your inner world. Through this book, you'll develop a deeper connection with your inner parts so that you can make better choices in life, in work, and relationships, and everything. You'll identify which parts are sabotaging your happiness and why, so that you can stop it by actually befriending them. You'll build trust in yourself, and you'll learn how to take steps towards positive change by applying what you've learned about yourself from this book into your life every day. And you'll get access to a bunch of different tools like the Personal Transformation Journaling parts pages. You can see these here. These are different templates that you can use, and there are examples within the book too of my own journey and actually a couple of my clients as well. So within the book, there are 2 different blank journaling templates for you for each chapter, all of the 16 chapters that we go over in the book of like creating happiness, procrastination, anger, resentment, which I'll talk about in a second. You can get access to a bunch of them that you can print and continue to explore the different parts of yourself. You'll get a bonus chapter on dealing with addiction and addictive behaviors. You'll get a video on how to activate the best version of yourself for any task. You'll also get a hypnosis track to help you be more motivated and defeat procrastination. You'll get 9 different alternative activities that you can do to explore your parts and the different aspects of yourself, and you'll get 100 different questions to ask yourself to understand yourself and your parts better. So listen for a bit, and I wonder if you're struggling with any of these. So here are some of the chapter titles. We have anxiety, how to get out of your head and back into your life. Happiness, you can create happiness for yourself by using parts work. Procrastination, how we can escape the procrastination habit forever. Forgiveness, how to stop holding on to anger and resentment. Fatigue, you can feel less exhausted and more alive. Grief, how to heal after a loss. Sleep, you can sleep like a baby with parts work. I do it all the time, it's great. Purpose, the secrets to discovering your purpose. Physical pain, start listening to your body so you can start to heal. Money issues, earning more and getting rid of money blocks. Relationships, improve your relationships by having a better relationship with yourself. And creativity, letting your creativity finally come out. So even if just one of those is holding you back from creating your best life, then just imagine how much better things could be. Begin personal transformation journaling now. You can go to ptj.geekpsychology.com, or you can click on the link below. Both of those just send you to the Amazon purchase page, so you can look it up there too if that's what you want to do. All right, I look forward to you creating a better life for yourself so that you can impact the world in a bigger, better way. Here's a little song I wrote. I like to sing it note by note, don't worry. Be happy. I don't even know if those are the lyrics. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Oh, you're still here. Go on, go to ptj.geekpsychology.com and buy the book. See you there.